Remember 9 months ago when the world collectively was rolling its eyes every time Mark Zuckerberg mentioned the metaverse on an earnings call? Well, maybe it's time to roll them back, put on a pair of Ray-Ban Meta glasses, and take a closer look at what Meta is doing, because the metaverse could be finally revealing itself to us in its hypeless, tangible future glory. While most people were impressed by Meta's iPhone moment reveal of the Orion AR glasses prototype, my interest was piqued by some of the more low-key demos and new Ray-Ban smart glasses capabilities revealed during MetaConnect, including first, on-device real-time speech translation from English to Italian, Spanish, or French. Second, the ability for Meta glasses to help you remember things, for example, where you parked your car at the airport. Third, a personal assistant that can fuse the inputs from the camera and microphones to provide advice in real time when exploring a new city or looking for meal ideas. You may be forgiven for not remembering, but all of these features seemed like science fiction 2 years ago when Facebook Inc. rebranded itself to Meta and posted a cartoonish, largely computer-generated 90-minute-long video in which Mr. Zuckerberg was floating on an imaginary spaceship with his co-workers. Now conversing with AI entities that understand context, emotions, and nuanced communication, or generating worlds that adapt in real time to user interactions, or advanced non-invasive human-computer interfaces are shipping in real-world products. The gap between our physical selves and digital avatars is narrowing, thanks to big leaps in diffusion models and, as shown with Orion, lightweight all-day wearables will be a reality in 3-5 years. Sure, we're not living in Ready Player One just yet, and difficult challenges, particularly on the hardware side, remain. But make no mistake, the foundation for a true metaverse is no longer a pipe dream. It's being built as we speak. The question isn't if the metaverse will become real, but how soon and in what form. Thanks for watching. This is an AI-generated video readout of this week's Computer Speak newsletter. To keep up to date with the latest news in AI and other emerging technologies, subscribe to Computer Speak on Substack.